Hey, if your Hello Let Loose Vietnam keeps crashing, either on startup or it crashes the desktop before you even get to the main menu, or maybe when you're joining a server, or you might be getting the low-level fatal error, we'll fix this in under 2 minutes. So from your Steam library, right-click the game, select Properties. Under General, you'll see the launch options. Copy and paste this from the description, -dx12, -use all available cores, -malloc equals system. Alternatively, you can do -dx11 if dx12 is giving you issues. Try and start the game after you run those. If you're able to get into the game, go to your settings in the top right, video, and set your master quality preset to high. Setting your master quality to high is an official fix that's been stated by the developers. If you're on AMD Adrenalin, go to your settings, preferences, and turn your in-game overlay to off in AMD Adrenalin. Still having issues? Right-click Hell Let Loose, Properties, Install Files, Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let it finish, and then try and launch again. This cleans up any corrupted files. Lastly, if you're still having issues, you probably need to update or clean install your GPU drivers. So in the description, I've left links to both for NVIDIA and AMD. Update your GPU driver, try again. If none of this has worked, I've got a video on repairing Easy Anti-Cheat. If you have any overclocking or undervolting, set it to stock. And lastly, just wait for the hot fixes from the developers. The game just came out, so there's still some issues they're working out.